Computer security system. Computer security is also known as cybersecurity or IT security. It is the way of protecting information systems, computer hardware, and software from theft or damage. Computer security includes controlling physical access to the hardware, as well as protecting against harm that may come through network access, data, and code. Cyberspace is becoming a dangerous place for all organizations and individuals to protect their sensitive data. This is because of the many people and machines accessing it. The protection given to the different types of hardware and software tools of the computer system is known as computer security. Security threats. We all have to be secure in our office, locality, home, city, country, and in this global world. These days, protecting the computer system from threats is very challenging. A threat refers to anything that has the potential to cause serious harm to a computer system. A threat can be a malicious program, a natural disaster, or a thief. Security threats may occur from the user's computer hardware and computer software. Malicious codes. Malicious code is the term used to describe any code in any part of a software system or script that is intended to cause undesired effects, security breaches, or damage to a system. Malicious code is an application security threat that cannot be efficiently controlled by conventional antivirus software. Malicious code describes a broad category of system security terms that includes attack scripts, viruses, worms, Trojan horses, backdoors, and malicious active content. Security mechanism. Security mechanisms deal with prevention, detection, and recovery from a security attack. Prevention involves mechanisms to prevent the computer from being damaged. Detection requires mechanisms that allow detection of when, how, and by whom an attack occurred. Recovery involves mechanisms to stop the attack, assess the damage done, and then repair the damage. Security mechanisms are built using personnel and technology. Personnel is used to frame security policy and procedures, and for training and awareness. Security mechanisms use technologies like cryptography, digital signature, firewall, user identification and authentication, and other measures like intrusion detection, virus protection, data, and information backup as countermeasures for a security attack. Let's discuss some of the security mechanisms below. Password. Passwords are the most common tool for restricting access to the computer system. It is a set of secret characters or words used to authenticate access to a digital system. Passwords help ensure that computers or data can only be accessed by those who have been granted the right to view or access them. Biometric technology is mainly used for identification and access control. Biometrics includes physiological characteristics such as fingerprints or retinal scans and behavioral characteristics such as typing patterns and voice recognition systems. A biometric system is a technological system that uses information about a person to identify that person. Biometric systems depend on specific data about unique biological behaviors in order to work effectively. Any government organization, business, and other organizations can use biometric systems to get more information about the individuals. Many biometric systems are developed for security applications. An airport scanning device, a biopassword system, or an internal data gathering protocol is an example of a biometric system that uses identifying data for a security result. Encryption. Encryption is the process of converting plain text to ciphertext, using an encryption algorithm. Encryption takes readable data and alters it so that it appears random. Encryption requires the use of an encryption key, which is a set of mathematical values. Encryption is commonly used to protect data in transit and data at rest. Every time someone uses an ATM or buys something online with a smartphone, encryption is used to protect the information being relayed. Businesses are increasingly relying on encryption to protect applications and sensitive information from reputational damage when there is a data crack. Antivirus software. Antivirus software is a type of utility software. It is used for scanning and removing viruses and malware from your computer. The main use of antivirus programs is to protect computers from viruses and remove the viruses that are detected. Most antivirus programs have both automatic and manual scanning capacities. The automatic scan check files are inserted into the computer and files. The automatic scan scans the entire hard drive on a regular basis. The manual scan option allows you to scan individual files or your entire system whenever required. Backup system. The process of making duplicate copies of data or programs so that these additional copies can be used to restore the original one after data loss. These additional copies of data and programs are typically called backups. You can backup content, data, and settings even from your Android device with the help of a Google account. You can restore your backed up information to the concerned device connected or to another device. To secure our data or information, we can back up them like in pen drive, memory card, external hard disk, Google Drive, or even in cloud storage.